Now let's going to see our fifth one in the first question. What is that? Let's going to write LHS that given expression 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 will be equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1 is a quadratic equation or not. So first simplify the left hand side. So 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. So 2x into x, that is 2x square. Then 2x into minus 3, that is 2 3s are 6x. Then minus 1 into x minus x. Minus into minus will become plus. 1 3s are 3. So this one will be 2x square minus 6x minus x. So we will get addition, but symbol is same. So minus 7x plus 3. Then what is the RHS? Then RHS will be equal to what we will get it here is x plus 5 into x minus 1. So x into x square. Then x into minus 1 will become minus x. Then 5 into x, that is 5x. Then plus 5 into minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 5. So x square. Then what we will get it here is 5 is a bigger, opposite symbols for the subtraction. Then 5 is a bigger, before that plus is there. Then 4, 5, 1 here. So 4x minus 5. Let's going to write both the equations left hand side is equal to RHS. So they are given that 2x square minus 7x plus 3 will be equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. So is that expression is given like this. So shift all this right side to the left side. So we will get it as 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Then minus x square minus 4x plus 5 will be equal to 0. So this all symbols will going to change. So 2x square and x square. So let's going to compare this 2x square and x square. What expression? Then x square. Why? Because opposite symbols for that plus 2 is there for that plus. Then minus 7x minus 4x. We will get it as minus 11x. Why? Because same symbols addition, but symbol is also same. So plus 3 plus 5 we will get it as plus 8 will be equal to 0. So we got it as sixth one. So x square minus 11x plus 8. So let's going to compare, write the expression. What is that? Ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So based on this, it should be a should not be equal to 0. So it should be square term. So for that, let's going to write this is x square plus minus 11x plus 8 will be equal to 0. Yes, it is a also quadratic equation. So yes, so the given expression, fifth one is a quadratic expression. Let's going to check. This is the sixth one. So what is sixth one is x square plus 3x plus 1 will be equal to x minus 2 whole square. So what is LHS? So LHS will be equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. So there is nothing to simplify here. Then what is RHS? Then RHS will be equal to x minus 2 whole square. So x minus 2 whole square, what is the formula of a minus b whole square? So a minus b whole square will be equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is the format of x square, then b is minus 2 into a is x, then what is b? 2 plus b square is what? 2 square. So x square, 2 2s are 4x plus 4. So this is RHS. Let's go into write LHS will be equal to RHS. Then LHS will be equal to RHS means LHS is x square plus 3x plus 1. Then RHS is x square minus 4x plus 4. So shift all this right hand side to the left side. So what values we will get? X square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square plus 4x minus 4 will be equal to 0. Why? Because this all symbols will going to change if you shift all these terms to the another side. So what need to cancellation? X square will going to cancel. Then 3x and 4x is there. So 3x plus 4x we will get it as 7x. Then minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 will get be 0. So 7x minus 3 will be equal to 0. So actually what is the quadratic equation? So quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. So based on quadratic equation, a should not be equal to 0. We cannot write like 0 into x square. We should not write like that method. So for this, what you can say here is, so 7x minus 3 is equal to 0 is not quadratic equation. Why? Because there is no x squared term. Degree should be equal to 2. So then only we can say quadratic equation. So this expression x square plus 3x plus 1 will be equal to x minus 2 whole square is not a quadratic equation. So like this we have to find it. Now we'll see the next one.